How to share your Shake Shack receipt via email. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you need to send your Shack receipt for work reimbursement or just to share, well here's how you can do it online. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Shake Shack. And now here on the search result, just click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Shake Shack. Now here, simply log in with your credentials and once logged in, you can just click on your profile icon and then select order history. And there you simply have to find the order you want and then click view receipt to open the detailed summary. And here you just have to look for the email received or sent received option, which is usually near the top or the bottom of the page. And there you simply have to enter the received email address and whether it's your own, your workplace or someone else. And with that, you just have to hit send and the full digital receipt will arrive in the inbox within a minute. And that's it. That's how you can share your Shake Shack receipt via email. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.